Some companies have come on their own strength, like Tata and the other Acer and all, in my country and other countries also. There is a lot of infiltration by Chinese there, and it is with the support of the government of China. Similarly, this government of India should support the individuals, companies, larger, smaller, what, by negotiation with the government of those countries. I am also a part of it. I am trying to do it for India. And Narendra Bhai and others knows about it. They have given me a go-ahead very soon. But the things to be done was invite them that this is what India can do, like what we have done here, showing that what can be done. Invite the head of the state or the concerned people and show them what India can do it. And then you have to even spend some money to do those. But investment, even businessmen or industries, they first invest something to earn something. Not earn first and invest later. I think there are many areas like mining. There is mining. There are a lot of things there. Diamonds are there, gold is there, iron ores are there. So many chemicals are there. That's one thing. The other thing, there are so many industries required there, because a lot of importations in Africa is from various countries which can be manufactured there. In Kenya and East Africa, there are many industries substituting the earlier importation. So there are so many industries, so many things. Road construction, building construction, it's very poor in some areas and some countries in Africa, where India can get involved with and try to look for it. But the thing is, we have to have a credible countries, because whoever invests, whether it's government or private, they always look for the security of their investment, which should be honestly handled by the people who are involved with them. Similarly, whoever invests there, they are also looking for the people there who have the credibility. So I'm really, as an Indian and as a Kutchi, I have an honor to say that the Indians today are considered to be the right people as their credibility. They will even honor the promise. That is the pride we are having as Indians there in Africa.